Hey, just a quick update. I got some parts in today, or yesterday actually. This is the first time I'm home. It's Friday. So I got these two boxes. I'm going to open them up for you guys so you can see. They got two parts, and there's the parts I ordered for this Monday. So there's going to be all sorts of good stuff in here. So what I got is a knife here. Hopefully this will go okay. I'm going to save things. Oh my goodness. Looks like some good stuff in here. Oh, man, they packed this shit pretty good. Oh yeah. FedEx box. What in heaven's name they got me into here? Oh, it's the head frame. Oh, isn't that nice and shiny and new? Look at that. It's not Christmas, but it ain't even August yet. So what does this one say? It's part number, oh, it's upside down. There we go. Huh. That's pretty cool. There's another part tag. Yep, good, no holes. Oh, it's heavy too. Nice. That's good, I like that. That'll be a nice weld in. I got the new floor pans ordered for it and all. And a little bit of touch up right here. It looks like I'll re-tack it in, get it a little bit tighter. You know, go over it once. Fix up these edges. Look at that, it's a little rolled open. Seam them up a bit tighter with a dolly. Yeah, boy. That's just the Karma Gia one. Also recommended as a thing. That's the same as the floor pans. Our Karma Gia. 74, 73, 74 Karma Gia. So, that's what I ordered everything for. And even all their books said the same thing. So, let's hope for the best. But that's that big box. Pull it over there. Okay. That's pretty cool. That's a big piece. Wait a minute. We got FedEx here. Oh, wait a minute. We got some stuff here again. Christmas time. And oh, dear. Hang on. I'm ripping tags off. There we go. Oh, my goodness. What have we got here? I have not a goddamn clue. Oh, there's the igniter. That's nice. I think it's just the round piece is what we ordered. Just the pin fire. And I didn't want those ones. That's why. Oh, they are the Taylors. No, forget it. I was mistaken. They are. They're the Taylors. 10 mil wires. They got a good resistance through them, like a draw through them. So, and I got that big motor of mine, so I need the ones that are on it. You can feel them breaking down a bit. So, and I know it's not my ignition system, but I got those. I don't know what this one is. Oh, this might be the Jets. This might be the Jets. Hang on. Stuff open. That's my. Yes, it is the Jets. Sorry, might be getting a little car sick. Here they all are. And all the Jets. For my brother. So, bro, if you're watching this, your parts are in. Okay, that's it. There's a little list of everything I got. Right on. So, that's that box. That's the head frame and my wires and my brother's ignition system. So those are his. Put that back that way. I'll keep that out. And I need these. Those are his. So I'll put them over here so I know where they are. See? Right over there. Now for that and this, they can take a flying leap for now. We got a bigger box. These are the ones I've been waiting for. These are the ones I was unsure about. Having in stock, I was super surprised. Man, they did some packaging. Good job, Kip. Holy smokes, man. Seriously, you guys did a good job here. It might take me a second video just to get into it. Oh my, okay, it goes all the way down over here. Oh my God, it's got to go all the way back down around there. So let's start here. Thank God for a sharp knife. There we go. Oh black too, primer, nice. These are my panels. These are all the panels for the side, right? It's for the side. Both sides, inners and outers. Yeah. Nice and new stuff. Sorry. Look at that. These are the outers. Got a couple of dings, but they're come with all the panels I need. Oh, the lips. See, look at the lip where I bolt the hole. These are my outers. Oh, right into the fender. Nice. This is gonna be a nice job. Even into the front fender, even the angle. Nice. A little rough. I mean, I see the welds on the inside, but I mean, got to be expected. At least I can get them. I don't have to fabricate it, because guess what? If I had to fabricate it, it'd be just a flat steel there right across it. But that's the outers. Whoa, even nice supports on the inside. This is nice. No wonder you pay $290 for it. Each piece. Yeah, that's no messing around. There's the inner. That looks good. Even at the belts, good. The bolt holes for the body. Who has the door? I don't know. But yeah. Look at that bottom lip. Nice and sharp. There's the top. Oh, he even has the bolt ball. Oh my. I don't have to, because I'm putting new floor pans on that, right? I'm putting all new floor pans, so everything, even if it doesn't line up 100%, round it out and get it done. At least it's replaced. Make do with what you can get. That's what I'm looking at here. Because really, serious, what's more, better?